Hello from apartment 42A, 450 square meters at Hotel Ritz in Barcelona. First, look at the view from this 42nd floor, but also look at this splendid desk accessory. This was actually designed by the interior designer of the apartment, Hotel Ritz, excuse my Catalan pronunciation, and it's 2 floors. I'm only going to show downstairs. Upstairs there are 2 bedrooms and a media room, and it's got a hint of Art Deco about it, but it's also very up to date. I like the fact that they expect people to be real people here. No half bottles, nothing is done by half measures. And the whiskey is an Aberfeldy 21-year-old, dear to my heart since Aberfeldy is my Scottish family home. And it's incredibly livable. It's also got an outside garden. Well, I can't see any flowers growing out there, but it's got an outside terrace, which is great for those who love to smoke or want to get away from their family members who are in the 2 bedrooms above. This goes on forever. Mind you, the bedrooms and bathrooms are upstairs. So this is a different video. Look, we've got a Smeg refrigerator. Look at the kitchen. Oh my gosh, wouldn't it be fantastic to stay here and have a cooking lesson, or have your private chef come, cooking on the Cooper Cush, and just look, Barcelona in the sun on a Saturday at the end of September, and Hotel Ritz.